How to make flyers on Canva. Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to make flyers on Canva. Whether you're promoting an event, advertising a product, or just want to create a beautiful design for your business, flyers can be a powerful tool to get your message across. And with Canva, you don't need any design skills to create stunning and professional looking flyers. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating a flyer in Canva, from selecting the right template to customizing it with your own image, color, and text. So if you're looking to create eye-catching flyers that effectively convey your message, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started and make some amazing designs with Canva. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to canva.com and either log in or create your account. Now after doing that, you're going to be here on the home page. Now, you're either going to search in the search bar flyer, and then you're going to select the flyer option, or if you have this option over here on the home page, we're simply going to click this. Now by clicking this, we would be redirected to the editing page of Canva. But if you click on this icon over here on the top right of this option, we would be redirected to this page over here where we can see different templates of a flyer. Now if you don't want to create a blank flyer, you could simply look through these different templates over here and you could edit in your own information. You could change every element that you want, and you can also change the different pictures. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create our own flyer by clicking on this create a blank flyer, and just like earlier, we would be redirected to the editing page of Canva. Now if you change your mind and you don't want to create your own template, you can simply see over here on the design side that we can still access the different templates over here so that we can easily choose from the different templates that we can use. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select a background. I'm going to select gray. Now for today's topic, the flyer that I'm going to create is about a Spotify music that an artist wants to promote. So our elements would be focused on a Spotify theme, and our design and theme would be focused on promoting this music from Spotify. Now after adding in our background, I'm going to go to elements over here, and I'm going to scroll down a bit, and I'm going to select frames over here. I'm going to click on see all, and as you can see over here, we have different styles of frame that we can add a photo into. I'm going to choose a plain shape, which is a square like this one. I'm going to drag it into our canvas over here. I'm going to make it centered, and I'm going to make it a bit bigger. And we're going to put it in the middle of our canvas, just like that. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going back to elements, and I'm going to search something music related, for example a headset, and we could either choose from graphics or from photos. I'm going to choose from photos, and I'm going to look for a headset that I would like to use, for example this one over here. I'm simply going to drag this into our frame that we have selected earlier, and then it will fit into the frame that we have chosen. Now the next thing I want to do is I'm going back to frame, and then I'm going to select a square shape. I'm going to drag it into our canvas, and I'm going to make it fit our background, and I'm going to change the position to the back, just like that. And as you can see, we have a mini border. I'm going to make sure that it's centered, just like that. Also make sure that the image is centered. I'm also going to make it smaller, just a bit, just like that. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to text over here, and then I'm going to scroll down and look for a font that I like. For example, this one, the action font. I'm simply going to click this, and then the text would appear into our canvas. I'm going to make it smaller and put it on the top of our photo over here. I'm going to highlight this and change the text to Spotify, just like that. We're going to increase the length so that it could fit all our letters, just like that. And then I'm going to adjust it a bit. And the next thing I want to do is I'm going back to elements, and I'm going to search in Spotify logo, and we're going to click on graphics, and we have these different options over here. I'm going to drag this icon over here into our canvas, and we're going to make it smaller so that it's the same size as our Spotify logo at the top. We're going to zoom in, going to make it a bit smaller, just like that. We're going to try and make our elements over here centered, just like that. By following the line that it is showing, we could make this Spotify message a bit bigger. And the next thing I want to do is I'm going to click on the Spotify logo, and then I'm going to hold Alt and then drag. By doing this, it will clone and duplicate the specific element. And I'm going to click on the colors and I want to turn it to green. Just like that. And then I'm going to make it a bit smaller. And I'm going to put it in the center, just like that. We're also going to change our font color over here to green so that it would fit our theme. Just like that. And then I'm going to zoom out a bit. I'm actually going to copy this by doing the Alt shortcut again, just like that. And I'm going to change the color of the background to black. We're going to change the position of this black text to the back by clicking on over here, just like that. And as you can see, we have something like a black shadow to our Shopify message. Now we're going to zoom out and we're going to use more elements. For example, this one, a play element. We're going to put it in the middle over here of our canvas. We're going to make sure it's in the center, just like that. And we could also change the color into green, just like that. We could change the white color to black to fit our theme even more, just like that. Now the next thing we're going to do is we could add more elements if you want. We could add more fitting elements that you think would fit our poster. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go to text and I'm going to look for more fonts that we can use. For example, this group of fonts over here. Simply going to click this and then this will appear into our screen. We're going to make this bigger and make it fit our design, just like that. We're actually going to move this a bit and then we're going to select every element that we have added earlier, and then we're going to change the transparency and make it a bit lower, just like that. And actually I'm going to search the elements once again and I'm going to search for align box. Then we're going to click on graphics and we're going to look for a line box. We're going to add this box over here into our flyer and I'm going to make it fit our image over here. Then I'm going to change the color to color green. As you can see, we have a line box of color green that is highlighting our image over here, and we're simply going to put back our text over here into the center, just like that. We could make it a bit smaller and make it fit our design better, just like that. Or actually we can make it bigger, just like that, and make it centered. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put in the middle our song title, just like that. We could put over here below the artist. Over here we could put it the date of release, just like that. Or if this flyer is for a concert, we could put in the date for the concert over here, and over here at the top we could put in different sponsors. But right now, for example, we're going to put Spotify music, just like that. And we could change the font of this text over here. Maybe we could change it to red or black, like that. We could also have it green, or actually we'll try black, just like that. And then we're going to do the trick that we did earlier, which is we're going to click on Alt, like that, and then we could change this color to green. I'm going to add a background once again. For example, we're going to search the element cool background, and then we're going to click on photos, select all. Then we're going to choose a background that fits our theme. For example, this photo over here, you can make this bigger, just like that. And then we can change the position to the back, just like that. And now we have the image that we have chosen as our background. And as you can see, we made a pretty good flyer that is Spotify themed. And after doing that, you can simply click on share, and then you can download, and you could choose the file type that you want. You could choose from JPEG, PNG, PDF, PDF for print, SVG, or you could even download it as a video or a GIF. And after choosing your file type, you can simply click on download, and now you can use your flyers on your social media, or you can print it out, or whatever you want to do with it. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.